Hey everyone, it's J.I.B. Lee back again with another tutorial. You can add me on Instagram @_nailfortd, and I also changed my TikTok to @_nailfortd so I can just have that, like similarity across platforms, social media platforms. So I am so excited to be posting this tutorial. I'm going to start trying to post every Monday. I will get it down to every Monday at a specific time, but for now it's just going to be every Monday because Sundays and Mondays are now like my permanent off days, and I want to utilize those days to like edit my stuff on Sundays and then post them on Mondays. I have a new schedule with like work and the gym and everything. I'm just trying to stick to it and not feel like I'm doing the same old stuff every week and like get bored and then like start to procrastinate and stuff like that. So I'm really trying to stick to it. And another reason why I haven't posted in a minute, oh my god, I'm so tired of saying it, but storage has been a huge issue for me. But I want to let me add like a popping confetti sound little sound bite over here. Like, I finally have my storage issues under control. My client, I don't know if I said this before, but she recommended me getting a little USB drive for my phone so that I can store my photos and videos on there. The first one that I bought was absolute trash. Like, I'm not able to get a refund for that without sending it back, but then I already have some videos and photos on the damn thing. So I'm like, how am I like, and I don't know how to get it off. Like, it's just absolute trash. The second one I bought, I filled that shit right the hell up. And it stopped, it stopped cooperating, but I bought a third one and now I have under like 50 gigabytes of storage on my phone. I'm like, thank you, God. So I'm gonna be posting all of like these older YouTube videos that I literally just have not been able to upload, because like when I edit them in I use the Splice app to edit them, and when I edit them there, like if I don't have enough storage, it won't allow me to download it to my phone, and then like I just be getting frustrated and then kind of like give up on it. But now that I have space and I'm freeing up more space by posting more regularly, I will see you guys every week on Monday. I'm so excited. So I didn't record the prep stage of where I push back the cuticles, cut the cuticles, and then use my pink sanding bands that I got off of eBay to, like rough up the surface of the natural nail. But I did get tip application, which I got these non-C curve. Actually, I think they might be C curve, because when I say these tips are C curved as hell, like literally you can see the white strip down the middle of where I have to like flatten them out. I got these off of Amazon, but I will be looking at some more tips to get off of eBay, since I've been saying that I'm gonna try to stop using Amazon as much because of their involvement with the genocide happening in Palestine. So I'm definitely going to be supporting eBay more, because on eBay, which all of us really should try to stop using Amazon, because one, it's a big company that like it has too much power. You know what I'm saying? One company just has too much power. And then also on eBay, like you're more likely to be supporting a small business and a smaller brand, which is like a positive in my opinion, supporting a small business and also not giving more money to the genocide that's still happening in Palestine. It's been over 100 days and it's still going on, which is like, so it's so frustrating, so I've been trying to do my part by like not going to Starbucks, not going to Dunkin' and Walmart as much. But when I go and let me not say that on YouTube. Let me not record what I be doing up in Walmart, but which is nothing as far as the CIA knows, nothing. Okay. But yeah, let's get into this acrylic French tip application. I literally haven't done acrylic French tip application in I don't even, this was last July that I recorded this. I feel like that might have been damn near the last time, for real. No, it wasn't, I'm lying, but I don't remember the last time I did acrylic Frenchies. So I'm using Valentino Beauty Pure's Prettiest Pink to do the smile line part. And then as you see in the photo of this tutorial, I'm also using clear acrylic I get from Mia Secret, and then silver foil that you can literally find anywhere. Find it on eBay, or maybe even Michael's has like silver foil. Like, it's very common to find it. My client, she came in with 2 pictures that she wanted me to merge together for one, and these are her Renaissance Frenchies that I did for her. She absolutely loved them. I love the finished result. I was a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I don't even be trusting the process myself, you know. I be telling my clients, trust the process, but sometimes, like, you're in the middle of it, I'm like, damn, like, I don't even know how these are going to turn out my damn self, you know, and I'm doing the damn nails. But, yeah, I love the finished result. Oh, and let me mention that I'm using my trusted Mia Secret Dehydrator and Primer, and also Young Nails Protein Bond. And I've been seeing on Instagram that a lot of people have stopped using dehydrator, like a lot of nail techs have stopped using dehydrator and replace their dehydrator with just alcohol, you know? So let me know in the comments for the other nail techs, do you guys prefer using dehydrator or alcohol? I honestly use both because I clean the nail of dust with alcohol and then use my dehydrator. I feel like the dehydrator is a chemical. Well, you know what? Alcohol, I guess, is a chemical too, to take away the moisture from the nail. But I don't know. It's just obviously alcohol, dehydrator. It sounds different, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, guys. Let me know, because I guess it would be cheaper just using the primer instead of the protein bond, and you know, the dehydrator, or let me say the primer and the dehydrator from Mia Secret. And some people don't even use primer; they just use Young Nails, which I don't know. I've tried just using like Young Nails, and for me, it didn't get me the same non-lifting. Like it didn't allow the nails to last as long for me. But then I was newer in, like, that was a couple years ago that I've tried that. I haven't like strayed from the dehydrator, primer, and then protein bond thing for years now. So like, maybe it was not the primer, you know what I'm saying? Maybe it was like me being a beginner. But I think I'm cool with that. Like, it really doesn't take too long or anything like that. So yeah, just let me know if you guys use alcohol or dehydrator. So after I apply my smile line for the acrylic French tips, I use my nail files that I got off of Shein. I'm telling y'all, these Shein nail files are the truth. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, they're so cheap, like $1.50 per like 5-pack. And like, yeah, they work real good in my opinion. Now I'm using Mia Secret clear acrylic and then the silver foil to fill in the rest of the French tip. Y'all, so I'm reading this new book. It's called Before I Let You Go by Kennedy Ryan. Yes, Kennedy Ryan. I had to check real quick. I'm like halfway through the book, and when I say I am obsessed, like I love a black adult romance, and two, I love a good ass book. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I've been super into audiobooks, so I love listening to it while I'm, like doing my nails or doing whatever I be doing. I love hearing stuff. Like, I really do. One of my goals for New Year's to get back into reading physical books, because I just love the look of like, oh, who's that girl reading that book over there? Like, I wonder what she's reading, and it's like the freakiest book you ever read. Like, before I let go, my God, you know what I'm saying? They be on their freaky tip. Like, I'm not gonna lie, but it's hot. As a child that grew up on Wattpad, like, this is nothing new for me. I've been reading freaky ass books since elementary school, middle school, which probably wasn't, the most appropriate for a middle schooler, but it happened, and I'm still good. I'm still fine. Oh, so I wanted to tell you guys, I got these amazing Pana drill bits off of eBay, and I feel like they were fairly cheap. What I like about eBay is that a lot of the sellers, like if you buy multiple items, will give you like a discount if you get like 2 or 3 or more items. So I got like, I think 5 drill bits for like $50, and they're Pana drill bits, so they're really, really good. I had to replace my drill bits. I've had them for years, and I was like, you know what, let me finally replace them, and I get a discount. So basically they were like $10 per bit, which is an amazing price, because usually they're a lot more expensive than that. Maybe like $15, sometimes closer to $20 per drill bit. So I got them for a great price, and they, oh my God, like literally filing over the nail is like butter. Like it's actually cut down my time. Like, I didn't realize how dull my my drill bits were until I replaced them. I'm like, dang, like I was struggling before. I didn't even know. So in my newer YouTube videos, that I'll probably be posting newer videos about the Valentine's Day nails, because my favorite season, my second favorite like nail season has come around. It's Valentine's Day, and I'm so excited for Valentine's Day. So in the new year, in January, I started doing toes. Yes, I am a full service nail tech now. I do hands and feet. So I do full pedicures. I got a pedicure chair, and I was just like, let me just do fucking pedicure. Like, it doesn't make sense to not do pedicures but have a pedicure chair. So I've been doing that. I've had like 3 clients so far get pedicures and stuff. I got a pedicure chair that was about like $300, which isn't too expensive compared to like how expensive pedicure chairs like can get. Like, they can go for damn near $10,000, like some of the really good ones, especially with plumbing. Without plumbing, they're usually a bit cheaper than that. One that I have my eye on now is about $3,000 to $4,000, and I'm like, oh my God, oh my God, like $4,000. Like, I guess I understand it, but like, damn, like, you know what I'm saying? At the same time, so yeah, I do pedicures now, and I don't not mind it. The only thing is that because I got a cheaper chair, like the footrest is like a little cube, and I actually ordered a new footrest today. I'm just gonna use it in addition to the footrest that I have, because that footrest is so small, and like I feel like it makes it so uncomfortable for my clients. And I feel like nobody has complained because I feel like they feel bad about me having to like bend over and do that. But like also I feel bad for them for having to like, you know, contort their bodies or like bend their legs up really, you know what I'm saying? Like I feel bad for them. So eventually I will be investing in a new pedicure chair because this pedicure chair, like I thought $300 was expensive. No, you gotta go more than that. You gotta go harder than that. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to these pedicure chairs, because they will give you the barest, a bare minimum, which freaking sucks. So yeah, I do pedicures now. I'm really excited. So I have a sale going on. I just posted about it, and it starts in February, obviously, where it's like $114 unlimited freestyles, and it goes up by length, and then $150 unlimited freestyle and matching French tip toes. And then like if you want acrylic, that's more. If you want a full set on your feet, that's more. Acrylic big toe, that's more. And yeah, like I plan on being booked and busy in February because I ain't got no boo, no bae, you know. I'm gonna be working on Valentine's Day, you feel me? So yeah, I am excited because I have so many ideas. I just got hip to Pinterest. I know, really, like I feel so old sometimes, but I just got hip to Pinterest and now I'm always on it, like looking for inspo and stuff, and I have so much inspiration. I actually just finished my Valentine's Day nails that I will be posting on my Instagram and TikTok soon, so keep an eye out for that. And yeah, now I'm using the Born Pretty metallic drawing gel to just draw some simple silver lines on the nails because that's what she wanted to finish out this design. And here is the final look on these all acrylic silver down Renaissance ready Frenchies. Once again, y'all, thank you so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it as much as I love creating it for you. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to all your friends and family. And I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye.